Good day, this is Lava Jo Maria S. from BSN 1 Labin, your news reporter. First one is chemistry of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a complex water-soluble with a unique structure. It contains a cobalt ion at its center surrounded by a chlorine ring. Second one is function of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for a wide range of bodily function, including cell growth and development, energy production, nervous system function, and red blood cell production. Third one is the deficiency in vitamin B12. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to various health problems, including anemia, neurological disorder, and fatigue. It's important to ensure you're getting through vitamin B12 through your diet or supplement. And the last one is sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products. Here are some of the sources. Meat, it includes beef, pork, lamb, and chicken. Seafood, it includes fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel, and in shellfish, it includes clams and oyster. Also, dairy product. And that's all for today's news. Thank you for watching.